Hello, this is Shaq once again. We are on Lanka Indian Oil Company. Today was the first day of trading on the XD date, and we are seeing a good retracement as expected, so nothing fancy about it. So if you see the box that we drew it, this was prior to today's trading, and we saw the retracement breach nicely 38.2, and even on the major leg we are seeing a 38.2 tested. So we are here. So the price tested around 44 and then moved up 50 cents to close for the day trading. And yeah, you're seeing a nice trend channel here, where you have the upper trend line as well as the lower. Probable rebounding can be expected 41.80, but I'm not sure whether the price would come that far. All what is reasonably can be expected is around 43.20, if at all. So that would give us the current bullish trend intact. So nothing, no question about a reversal with regard to LIOC. So there is no point of talking about exiting your positions, because the technical chart which is here in front of us does not indicate any what do you say, a reversal at this moment of time. So only thing what we were few months ago, we were slightly worried on the top head and shoulder pattern which we showed, which got invalidated thanks to, let me draw that as well to show you. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so do you see here something? This is the left shoulder and this is the head, and then this was the more activity taking place around at the neckline level almost, but thanks to the channel, thanks to the current ASI sentiments, we did not see a reversal. So as you know, top head and shoulder patterns are reversals, so thank goodness it did not. Now this will show much more clearly. You see here, okay, and then it closed here and then started moving up. So when it started going up about 41, we knew this pattern became a failed pattern for us. Okay, so there was no point of trading on a top head and shoulder once we saw the movement here. Okay, and when we drew the lower trend channel here, and we saw the bouncing off here, so that intact itself held nicely for the bullish movement to continue. And it started, and most of the guys around 40 were very lucky, and they traded on a very technical chart and were able to make good gains out of this trade. Now we're seeing something similar again. Probable a reversal around 41 would be ideal, but let's see how it goes for tomorrow and day after, and then we'll have the weekend coming in and see how next week LIOC would fare. The volume in terms, we are seeing 3 million, which is the highest for the last 5 years as per the direct FN volume indicator. So this is the highest for the last 5 years. MACD is may give us a sell, which would be nice. RSI is pointing down again, so I'm not bothered about the indicator with regard to, but it's around 55. So the strength is around 55, the strength, which is good. Okay, and let's see how it goes now. If you want to get a neater chart, all you got to do is to remove the grids. This is how you will get. Okay, and this is my support level. Can you see here? Let me make it a year-to-date chart. Yeah, and this is the support which we are in. So probably tomorrow may try to retest the lower wick of the candle, which is around 44. Probably, if at all, if it comes down, should rebound around 43.10. Okay, and to the upper side I am expecting it to close around 47.50. so let's give a couple of days, probably maybe mid next week, to close the gap. The more shorter time or days it takes to close the gap would definitely give positive signals for the traders as well as the investors about the current bullish trend of LIOC. So that's about it. I think I have covered extensively on LIOC because I'm holding around 39,000 odd shares and expecting to see around 53, 56 and an extension thereafter. So a lot of good news should start coming in maybe after the elections. So it's a long-term hold for me. This is Shark signing off, and see you again on another video. Most probably try to cover some other counter. So until then, it's bye and good night.